Okay children, now we are going to write words by using capital letters font. Okay, let me enjoy to write how to write the capital forms, that is words, letters and somewhat greeting words. By learning this kind of font, you make it, it's a hobby like subject, so you have to make it your own greeting card, birthday card and Father's Day card, Mother's Day card. Take a chart paper and create your art or craft work, write it to your own handwriting, that is own handwritten format, that is very precious one, because in those days in my childhood period we wrote letters to my grandparents and those of my friends also. But nowadays in technical days we just WhatsApp send text and send a message and text, just text is anything, thank you or all wishes, everything. But it is precious one while you write your own handwritten format, and that's your imagination and your creative thinking also to your parents or any other friends or to your grandparents. That is very precious one, and make it also very happy and mental happiness and fulfillment. Okay, so let me now going to write how to write using capital fonts. Okay children, first we have to write font words. So I have to write first alphabet A. So A, anchor. I wrote the word anchor. So A N C. Okay, crescent shape C, and H, two straight line and one streeping line, and O, start and ending point is C. Okay, then R, straight right curve and one slanting line. So here you observe this space between each letter to another letter, that is, it's a chain way of writing, that is same spacing size. Oh, it's very important to make your handwriting very beauty, because here listen, this space between the A and is similar to that of the end of the word, that spacing is equal. So it makes your handwriting, and while you write your classwork note, composition or essay writing, while you write the headings, okay, that makes your handwriting more legible and very beauty. Okay, next one similar, that is B, that is baby. Okay, B, and slanting, two slanting line joined with one streeping line, and again B, two right curves, and that is Y, another way of Y. First draw V and join one short straight line, anchor and baby. Okay, then C, I wrote the word, that is cool. Okay, C, to O, start and ending point is same, O and yeah. Okay, while write the font, you make it to the right, that is similar to the rest, you have to draw it. Okay, that's a capital font. Next, daddy. Okay, that is D, straight and right curve. Next one is A, and again D, and again one more D, and last one is Y, D-A-D-D-Y, that. Okay, then next one is E. We have to write one more bigger word, that is envelope. Okay, so straight two streeping line, center short streeping line, that is E, and N, straight, slanting and straight. Okay, then V. Okay, don't put it like a V like that. So first starting from this, take out of your hand, and from this ascend it to bottom another line. Remember that E-N-V. Next one is E, okay, and L and O, okay, O, and straight right curve and straight line, 2 streeping line followed by middle short streep line. So some more 7-8 letter words envelope. Okay, then F, okay, O, X, fox. Then G letter words, that is G, gone, G, it's gone, G-O-N, okay, and E, gone. Okay, then next one is H, middle streeping line, H, high, H-A-I, top streeping line and lower streeping line. Both this streeping line are same in length. Okay, high. Then I, starting from the ascender line, straight to streeping line. Ice cream. C, straight line, streeping, 2 more streeping, center, short streeping. Again C, okay, C is the exact curve. Okay, observe this. Don't like this C. This is wrong. You have to draw right curve bend. This is the exact C. Okay, C and R. Okay, next E, okay, and A and yum. Okay, ice cream. Okay, then J, O, joker, K and E, R. While you practicing, write slowly. Okay, observe the lines and strokes. Joker. Next one, key, K E and Y. This is one way of Y, key. Okay, then L, E and yum. Observe yum, reverse of W, but straight, slanting, again slanting. Take out of your hand and put it yum, and O and N also similar to that of yum, straight, exact straight. And observe children, while you are writing capital font in before our syllabus, that is while we writing cursive, that should be, everything should be slanting in manner. But in caps, you have to erect position is the correct way of writing. So exact straight, your J, all straight lines, it should be exact straight, and streeping line always be on the correct prompt of the line. Don't overlap the lines. So it is very clear to that lies the exact line. So don't overlap the lines while you write the streeping lines. Okay children. Then next we have to write yum, that is moon. Okay, okay, and yen, nest, N E S T, nest. Okay, so we have complete from A to N. Okay, now we are going to write alphabet O, capital letters starting with O. So that is octopus. Okay, that is O, exact C, crescent shape C, and straight with short street T, again O and P, U and right bend of S, that is octopus. Then P, peacock, P E A C, exact C, crescent shape C, and O C and K. Observe each letter spacing is similar to that of end of the word. Okay, listen children, spacing is very important. Okay, here you bring it a big space, and this don't overlap each alphabet with another one. So right format, that is peacock, OP. Next Q, queen, Q, U and E, another E and N. Okay, queen. Then R, roses, R, O, S, E, yes, roses. Okay, then yes, sun, yes, U, N, to make it bigger word, sunny. Okay, SUN, N and Y. Okay, then T, T, telephone, T E. Okay, L and E, telephone, P H O N and E. Okay, one more thing, listen children, in this word there are 3 times, E is repeated thrice. Here 1, 2, 3. Yours alphabet shape in each word is same in shape. Okay, that's an important point. Here you write one way of E and another method of E. That's it makes your handwriting somewhat not, it's look like scribbling or it not neat. Okay, so observe this. Here also same like this. Octobus. Here 2 O, same alphabet comes twice. So if yours writing format, these 2 alphabet is similar in shape and size. Okay, shape is very important in your writing. And yesterday I told like that you have to complete each alphabet full. Okay, half of the letter you have to write for in a fast manner, whatever it may be, in your classwork or copying from your book or blackboard, write it full. That alphabet is have to complete its full then you have to go the next alphabet. That's a way of, correct way of writing. Okay. So telephone. Next one is U, that is umbrella, that is U. Okay. And M, B, R, E, L, and A, umbrella. Here also same 2L. So that should be similar in shape and size. And all our caps alphabets lies between the ascendant top and bottom. Anyone has come out of the bottom line, and any alphabet doesn't touch the descender line in our capital font. Listen children. Okay, understand? Umbrella. Then V, vase, V, A, S, and E. Okay, vase. Next one is W, watch, W, A, and T, C, and H, watch. Okay, and X, hyphen, Christmas. Okay, it's a short way of writing in English, Christmas. Okay, then Y, O, L, K, yoke. Then Z, zip, Z, I, P, zip. So we have finished from A to Z how to write a word by using capital font. Okay.